Russia has offered its advanced AL-41 engine for upgrade program of Indian Air Force's existing Sukhoi 30 MKI fleet. The AL-41 engine boasts improved thrust-to-weight ratio, better fuel efficiency and enhanced maneuverability, thus enhancing performance of Indian Air Force fighter fleet. The UK government has announced new $186 million military aid package for Ukraine, covering delivery of drones, tanks and air defense systems. However, specifics of systems and platforms to be sent remain unclear. Algeria has confirmed the acquisition of Russian Su-57 fighter jets, becoming its first international customer. The announcement was made through Algerian state television, revealing that Algerian pilots are currently undergoing training in Russia with deliveries expected to begin later this year. Iran has unveiled an upgraded version of its domestically developed Bavar 373 air defense missile system during the Iqtidar military drills. The modernized Bavar 373 launcher features a new integrated radar system that allows it to independently track targets.